Good morning, guys. Another camera mount. Can you guess where that's going?
Hi guys, another camera bracket. You might have seen one I did a couple of weeks back. Same sort of clip, smaller case. That was for the SQ11 mini camera, so I could clip it to a litter grabber thing and use it to go around the garden collecting slugs and filming it. That works absolutely fine. When we were on holiday, my wife likes to collect the rubbish on the beach, bag it up to help clean the beach. And I thought, rather than her bending over and picking them up by hand, I'd get her one of these litter grabbers. This one actually came from Home Bargains. I bought two of them, total price £3.58, so that makes them £1.79 each. I think these are better than the Poundland ones. They've even got a little magnet in the end there for picking up your keys when you drop them on the floor. That sort of rubberized bit there. I think that's just the plastic. So obviously there's a lever in there with a bit of, I'll say string, bit of wire on it, so that when you pull that, and then on the back of it there's a spring up here to push it back down again. Anyway, that is a slightly different thickness to the Poundland one that I bought for the slugs. Only about a millimetre, if that. And that clips on there. I expect that will go loose after time and we'll have to tape it in place, but I don't expect we'll be using it very much. I just thought that if we're going to go litter picking, we could put a action camera in there and we can film what we're collecting. That'll be exciting, but it will make the trip on the beach a little bit more interesting. Yeah. So I expect over time that'll go loose, but you can put a bit of tape around it or some rubber bands or whatever. I just thought I'd have to do it. It looked like fun. Might want it a bit lower down. Slide it down. That'll do.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.